Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn about the expression there is, there are. There is used to say that something exists or is located somewhere. For example, you can say there is a cat on the sofa or there are many books on the shelf. To form a sentence with there is, there are, you need to use there is with a singular noun and there are with a plural noun. For example, there is a flower in the vase, or there are 3 flowers in the vase. Notice that we use a or an before a singular noun, and we add an s or es to a plural noun. To make a negative sense with there is, there are, you need to use not after is or are. For example, there is not a cat on the sofa, or there are not many books on the shelf. You can also use the contraction isn't or aren't instead of is not or are not. For example, there isn't a cat on the sofa, or there aren't many books on the shelf. To make a question with there is, there are, you need to put is or are before there. For example, is there a cat on the sofa? Or are there many books on the shelf? Notice that we use a question mark at the end of a question. Let's practice with some examples. I'll show you a picture of something and you will tell me what sense to use with there is, there are. Ready? Here we go. This is a picture of a pizza. The pizza has 4 slices. What sense do we use? There are 4 slices of pizza. This is a picture of a car. The car is red. What sense do we use? There is a red car. This is a picture of a classroom. The classroom has many students and desks. What sense do we use? There are many students and desks in the classroom. Great job! You've learned how to use the expression there is, there are to talk about existence or location. Remember to practice with your friends and family. Thank you for watching and see you next time.